This is great for keeping your IDEs up to date, but one of the problems I've found is anytime you update an IDE, if you have it saved in your dock, once you update, that dock icon doesn't go anywhere because it points to a specific version of the application which no longer exists. So what I've done is I've made a simple bash script that you can use to fix this problem. So get rid of that broken icon. Now the way this works, you simply open whatever IDE you want to make a shortcut to so that you can show it in the Finder. Once that happens, you can simply quit the application. Just drag that as the first argument to the launcher script. And then what you'll see is in your toolbox directory, you've got launchers. Now this launcher is a special script that actually is going to get the icon and the settings for whatever the current application is, but every time it's launched, it's actually going to update to the latest installed version of that application. So in the case of Android Studio, it has a version name in there, so I'm just going to rename that to Canary. That way, once I update this to Android Studio 4.3, whatever that might be, this will still be relevant. And now I can actually put this icon in the dock. Since that's going to update itself, anytime I update Android Studio, this icon is still going to point to the right place. Now, the only sort of caveat with this is that anything you do in Android Studio that is going to make it relaunch itself, you'll actually get a different icon in here because that icon will point to the actual installed version. But anytime you want to launch Android Studio on your own, you can just use this icon and it'll always point to the latest version. And it should be noted that this actually works for all IntelliJ IDEs. So if we try app code here, do the same thing. Oops. Show in Finder. And now we can make a launcher, drag that in. We can quit that. And you can see now we have an application for app code, which we can just put in our dock. And this will always point to the latest version of app code. So this script will be available on GitHub as a gist. You're welcome to use it, and I hope you enjoy.